fallen angels and demons. But what about those angels who didn't remain loyal to God? The Bible tells us that in the beginning, some angels chose rebellion over service. The most notable of these is Lucifer, a high-ranking angel who, consumed by pride, attempted to overthrow God's authority. This act of rebellion, often called the fall, led to Lucifer and his followers being cast out of heaven, where they became what we now know as demons. Now, these fallen angels serve a different purpose. Rather than aiding humanity, they aim to deceive, tempt, and harm, following Satan's lead. Their influence can be seen throughout Scripture as they try to interfere with God's plan for humanity. However, it's crucial to remember that their power is not unlimited. Scripture teaches us that they can only act within the boundaries God permits, and that ultimately, their influence pales in comparison to God's authority.